Top of the afternoon. A little late start back at Sharon Harris. We are going to look for suspended fish. Water temps warming up a little bit. Yesterday it was 46, 47. So with that, but bait's still down. So we're looking for suspended fish. Trying not to drop below 20 foot. And bait was at 20, 25 foot, seemed like. So we'll see if the weather has affected it. It's overcast, it was foggy this morning, got some rain coming through. So pay attention to your conditions. Be willing to change with your conditions. Crappy constantly change with conditions. So you be ready to change too. So fickle today. So this is my fourth or fifth bait. I went with the KEITECH brown back green. I found the color. Not spectacular, but it's a fish. Oh yeah, I have found the color. KEITECH to the rescue. Nice. $14 inch. Sweet. 25-foot drop. Not a big fish. I'm gonna let this one go. We're gonna try to let this one go. He is hooked. Little wolf back. Wolflet pack. But they loving on the KEITECH. The rain came. I went to check another area. A couple other areas came back. Decent little fish. Fish. Nope. Jig dropping right here. There's a fish. Can't see my jig, so you gotta trust. Right over top of them. Well, folks, short video, caught some fish. They're still alive. I'm going to toss them back into the lake. What we learned today? Well, conditions change. You need to change. I went through 5 different baits before I found the right color. So found it. Bait before was at 25 to 30 foot. Now look, after this rain, all your baits at 15. And look, your fish are underneath there waiting for things to drop. Wolf packs are limited. Let me scan around here a little bit. See, just solid bait at 15. So the rain brought the bait back up. Decent fish, 1 3/4 on my big one. That's about it. Caught some small ones, like I said, gonna let them go. Out here, trying different conditions, trying to figure stuff out. Y'all get out on bunch, catch a few, catch one, catch none. All of them have one thing in common. You're out there putting your time on the water, figuring things out, figuring out what you need to do. So, thank you again. Stay blessed. Peace. Oh, have to add, single fish, you'd have to literally hit them in the head with a jig to get them to move. Pairs, very few pairs, mostly wolf packs. So get on out there, look for them wolf packs.